Welcome to my little kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a super quick and easy breakfast idea that takes just 5 minutes to make. It's soft, comforting, and perfect for anyone, but especially for older adults who want something gentle on the stomach and easy to chew. No fancy tools or tricky steps, just simple ingredients and a warm, delicious result. If you've ever skipped breakfast because it felt like too much effort, this one's for you. Let's make a soft, satisfying egg toast that fills you up without weighing you down. Ready? Let's get started. You don't need a lot to make this soft, senior-friendly egg toast. Just grab one slice of soft bread, whole grain or white, whichever is easier for you to digest. Crack 2 fresh eggs, and mix in about 20 grams of finely chopped greens, like spinach or scallions for extra nutrients. If you like a little richness, add a thin slice of low-fat cheese, but that's totally optional. You'll also need a small amount of unsalted butter or olive oil to keep things light and heart-healthy. Finally, use a non-stick pan to make cooking smooth and effortless. Let's start with a comforting favorite that's warm, soft, and incredibly easy to eat, especially for older adults. This simple recipe turns everyday ingredients into a cozy, egg-wrapped toast that's light on the stomach but full of flavor. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, and toss in a spoonful of finely chopped greens, like spinach or scallions. These not only add a touch of color, but also give your breakfast a gentle nutrition boost without being hard to chew. Whisk everything together until smooth and well blended. Now, heat a non-stick pan over low heat and add just a tiny bit of unsalted butter. Enough to coat the surface, but not enough to fry. Once the butter melts, pour in the egg mixture and gently swirl the pan so the egg spreads out into a thin, even layer. Let it cook slowly for about a minute or two until the bottom sets but the top is still slightly soft. This is your moment to add the bread. Take a slice of soft bread, whole grain or white, and place it right in the center of the egg. Press it down lightly so it sticks. Let it sit for a few more seconds. Then use a spatula to fold the sides of the egg over the bread, like you're wrapping a warm blanket around it. Gently flip the whole thing over and cook for another minute, pressing down lightly to help everything stick together. The result? A golden egg wrap with a soft, moist center. The edges are lightly crisp, but the inside stays tender, making it perfect for anyone who prefers a gentler texture or has trouble chewing harder foods. It's tasty, warm, and incredibly satisfying without being heavy. Serve it as is, or pair it with a few slices of soft fruit like banana or papaya for a naturally sweet, well-balanced breakfast. This recipe is proof that you don't need a complicated meal to feel good. Just a little care, a few fresh ingredients, and 5 easy minutes, and you've got breakfast that truly loves you back. If you're looking for something incredibly soft, comforting, and easy to digest, this steamed egg bread is the perfect option. It's warm, tender, and has a flan-like texture that melts in your mouth, making it ideal for seniors who prefer meals that don't require much chewing. Start by taking 1 slice of soft bread, preferably whole grain or white, and cut it into small, bite-sized cubes. Place the pieces into a small, heat-safe bowl or ramekin, spreading them out evenly so they'll absorb the egg mixture. The bread will act like a sponge, soaking up flavor while staying light and fluffy. Next, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add in a small pinch of salt, a handful of finely chopped vegetables like spinach or green onion, and if you like, a bit of grated low-fat cheese for added richness. Mix everything well until fully combined. Then pour the egg mixture over the bread cubes, gently pressing them down so they're fully coated and settled into the bowl. Now it's time to steam. Place the bowl into a steamer or a saucepan with a steamer rack. Cover it with a lid and steam the mixture gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the eggs are set, but still soft and jiggly, similar to the texture of a savory custard. When it's done, you can serve it directly from the bowl or gently turn it out onto a plate. The result is a warm, moist, pillow-soft breakfast that's easy on the teeth, easy on the stomach, and incredibly comforting. It's perfect for older adults who want something filling but not heavy, a dish that's full of nutrition yet feels like a gentle treat. Add a touch of olive oil or a sprinkle of black pepper on top if you like, or keep it simple and enjoy the natural flavor of the eggs and bread. This meal is proof that healthy food doesn't have to be boring or hard to chew. It just needs to be made with care and a little love. Sometimes the best meals are the simplest ones. This final recipe is all about balance and brightness, combining soft egg toast with naturally sweet fruits to create a breakfast that's gentle, nourishing, and full of flavor. It's the perfect way to start the day feeling energized, without putting stress on your digestion. Begin by making a basic egg toast, just like we did earlier. You can use either the soft folded method or the steamed version, whichever you prefer. Just make sure it's warm, soft, and easy to chew. The egg provides your body with high-quality protein, which supports muscle strength, energy, and satiety, especially important for older adults. Now, let's add the refreshing touch: fresh fruit. Choose varieties that are soft, sweet, and easy to digest. A ripe banana is a great option. It's naturally creamy, rich in potassium, and gentle on the stomach. If you prefer something with a little more bite, go for soft apple slices, steamed or thinly sliced to reduce crunch. And for a tropical twist, try papaya or ripe mango, which not only taste amazing, but also contain natural enzymes that aid digestion. By pairing fruit with protein, you're helping to stabilize your blood sugar, reduce cravings later in the day, and support overall heart health. Fruits provide vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, while the egg toast keeps you full and fueled for hours. This is a particularly smart combo for seniors looking to maintain a healthy weight, support brain and heart function, and improve gut health, all with ingredients that are easy to find and simple to prepare. You can enjoy the fruit right alongside your toast, or even layer it on top for a fun, colorful presentation. For extra flavor, sprinkle on a bit of cinnamon or drizzle a little honey if your diet allows. The key is keeping it light, balanced, and delicious. This breakfast takes no more than 5 minutes to prepare, but it delivers everything your body needs to start the day strong. Protein, vitamins, and fiber, all in one gentle, joyful meal. It's simple, it's smart, and most of all, it's made with your health in mind. And there you have it. 3 simple, satisfying breakfast ideas that are soft, nourishing, and easy on the stomach. Whether you prefer your toast wrapped in a warm layer of egg, steamed into a fluffy, custard-like dish, or paired with sweet, fresh fruit, each option was made with care to support your health, your digestion, and your lifestyle. After all, breakfast doesn't have to be heavy or complicated. Sometimes, the best meals are the ones that leave you feeling light, energized, and ready to enjoy your day. As we get older, every little choice we make, especially in the morning, can have a big impact on how we feel throughout the day. A gentle, balanced breakfast can help prevent that sluggish, bloated feeling and replace it with comfort, clarity, and calm. And the best part? These recipes take less than 5 minutes, use everyday ingredients, and don't require any fancy tools or cooking skills. Just a little love and a little time. If you've been looking for a way to bring more ease and nourishment into your mornings, I truly hope you'll give one or all of these recipes a try. They're more than just food. They're small daily habits that can make a big difference over time. Your body will thank you. Your stomach will feel lighter, and your heart will feel a little fuller too. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which version of the egg toast was your favorite? Do you have your own gentle breakfast ideas that make you feel great in the morning? Leave a comment below. I read every single one, and I love learning from your experiences too. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing it with a friend, neighbor, or loved one. Sometimes, the simplest meals are the most healing, especially when shared. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I'll see you again soon with more easy, feel-good recipes made just for you. Until then, take good care of yourself. And remember, you deserve a breakfast that treats you with the same kindness you give to others.
Thank you for following us till the end. Don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button and subscribe. This supports the channel and allows me to continue creating content for you. Leave your thoughts or comments below. Feel free to express yourself and stay positive. See you next time.